Hey guys, if you want to be able to use voice chat on Roblox, all you need is a valid phone number and a Roblox account. Let's get started. First and foremost, decide which Roblox account you want to use. If you want to use your own Roblox account, you totally can. You just need to make sure that your account birthday makes you over 13 years old. If you're under 13 years old, Roblox will not allow you to change your birthday and you will not be allowed to get voice chat. To check your account birthday, all you need to do is go to this big cog on the top right hand side right next to your Roblox. So we will go ahead and click the cog and then we'll click settings, and that will take us to our Roblox account settings. As you can see, I have an email address added to my account. However, it's not necessary in order to get VC on your account. All you need is that phone number. As you can also see in the personal section right here, it includes the birthday that you have on your account. Again, if you're under 13 years old, you will not be able to change your birthday. Please keep in mind you also do not need to verify your age in order to get VC. All you need is that phone number. So let's go ahead and add a phone number to our account by clicking add phone. So after you've added this phone number, you can go ahead and click continue. It will either ask you to re-enter your password, or if you have an email address on the account, it will ask you to enter the one-time code that has been sent to that email. And this is what the email looks like with the one-time code. Your numbers should be in bold right around here. After you enter your code, it'll automatically continue and then it will text you. I'm going to show what the text looks like on the screen here. But again, it's very simple to find your numbers based on that text. After you find the numbers, you should enter them. There's going to be 6 digits, and then you go ahead and click continue. And after this, Roblox is going to ask you if you want to connect your contacts. You can say yes or no depending on how you feel. This basically means that if someone has your phone number, they'll likely be able to find you on Roblox. Now that you can see, my phone number has been added to this section, and it also has a little verified section to let them know that I have verified my phone number. Then after this, you can actually go into enabling your voice chat. You will go down from account info, security, and then click on privacy. After this, you should be able to scroll down a little bit and see microphone and camera input. Then all you need to do is click this little on icon where it says use microphone to chat with voice. So I'll go ahead and click that, and then you can read over this information. The settings allows you to chat with your voice, follow our community standards when talking, and report abuse if you hear it. And then you select enable, and now you can see this is fully green. So as you can see, I've went ahead and joined the hunt game. But in the top left corner, you'll notice a new icon that says mute or unmute self. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let us know if there's anything else you'd like to learn how to do, or if there's any questions you have. I hope you got VC, and I hope you enjoy it to the fullest.